What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. There's a fly on my laptop. I forgot what I was saying. Doy. Welcome back to my channel. For the next part of the Fosters, let's just jump right into it. 5:30 in the morning. It's hump day, you guys. They're so excited to almost be done with school for the week. I might take them camping, have a fun little getaway. For Elijah's birthday. Maybe. Who knows? Could be a surprise camping visit. Samara's eating some applesauce. Yeah. Wanda just woke up. She is kind of aggravated. More than a little. She needs some fun. She is going to... Let's watch some TV. It's 6:30. Everyone is awake except for Mackenzie and Kathrine. Well, you don't have any food in the house. How about you cook food? Fruit salad sounds amazing. I love fruit salad, especially. No, it's Waldorf salad, I think. At Thanksgiving, that is my favorite. I love it. Especially the marshmallows, because who doesn't love the marshmallows part? Alright. How would you go get a shower and go to the bathroom? And he'll play some games until Daddy-O makes breakfast. You better make it fast though. Mackenzie's up. Let's check toddler. Oh, she's hungry. Spaghetti. Ooh, that's my favorite. Thanks for cleaning up. Oh, she's such a good child. Come get your grub, people. Come get your grub. This house is so dirty. You're gonna be late for school. Yeah, you didn't have school? No? I don't get why y'all wouldn't. It's not a holiday. Yeah, you should be at school. Don't know what y'all are doing. But you know, school. I think you got that wrong, buddy. He's kinda still here. He's right there. Everyone go to school. You go pee. Let's check you.
Benaza Schlo.
Hey, we don't bark. Why aren't you going to school? Well, let's make Daddy-O do that. Go to school. And I feel like we need a maid. We can't do this anymore. see. I don't know what you're going to do to her, but let's not. She's not fond of you right now. Let's get a schedule made.
Sheshere. Binkapa Baru.
Go to school.
Yakalau Dumba. Rudy Kayun.
10:20.
Miqua. Uspa.
Okay. Everyone's at school. Getting there. Trenton needs to get back up on his feet and find a new gig. So, let's look. Web 3.0 logo. Pays good. This one pays more. We'll do that. Alright. Create a painting of any style on Sketchpad. Elijah has 2 different tests today, and one of them is going to be tough. There's a little time to study beforehand. Should he spend all his time studying for the harder test, or use the time to study for both tests equally? Both. Extra study time was vital for that difficult test, and brushing up on the material for the easy test was worthwhile to Elijah. Earns a B+ and an A. Sweet. Ooh, awesome job. Okay, so we need to create a painting. Where's our freelancer? Let's do made abstract. Hopefully that's what it's meaning. Alright, the 2 girls are going to school. Mackenzie is just having a blast playing with herself. She's so cute. Kathrine needs to cook some meals. Our maid's here finally, thankfully, because we need help. Oh wait, put this away. Alright, let's cook BLTs and maybe some grilled cheese. Yeah, who doesn't like grilled cheese? And let's do one more. Maybe some soup. Do you have experience for soup? We do not. Some fish tacos. Alright. He has created the painting, but it's still not here. The freelance category. I do not see it. Well, I don't know where it is. Okay. Well, maybe not. It's probably because my game's all funky. Probably needs to be restarted or something. So we'll just work extra hard next time. Ooh, another applicant. Yes, and there's a cat eating our food, our foster cat. Scare you off.
Truka. Cornell!
No, I did nothing. Get out of our house. Stop eating our food.
What? Me, Margle?
You guys! Mackenzie just aged up. I caught it. On camera. Whoa.
Bekinoy shoot.
He back in.
Yakalau shoe Bretno. Emka Harb Dolphus. Sabomanukum.
Yeah, take a picture to remember this moment.
Spinada Farbs. Suna Inapreb.
I don't get why she's so angry though.
Ah.
Oh, I wish it would pop up on the
Interest.
whatchamacallit, like pounding. Oh, Flash is ruined. He's crying. You know, that's cool. Guys, congrats. I need you. No, we have a maid. Do your school. I am so glad we don't have any more toddlers. It is fantastic. Let's check the do Lolly. Let's see if there's any anybody new. Oh, she leaving. Where do I want her? Maybe here. I think right here. Go take a shower. Well, Samara's good rep just went away. Since it is her first one, will not be too hard.
Bolomid even vet fibula. Yeesh.
Hello.
You don't even know holding anything.
Oh, Freba.
Alright, we need to do that. Put you to bed. Oh. Doesn't I think she sleeps in here? Alright, well, we'll just influence you. Hopefully, you'll actually listen.
Hey.
Okay. Now, you are to clean up your mess. Of course you don't listen. And Romeo's still around. You guys, I can't.
Clever.
You guys, they're gonna do it. They're gonna try for a baby. Oh boy. We've got to punish this because that is the third time. Priorities your Amber destroyed this. Or maybe not. Oh, children. It's too big a trash. You're probably not going to do it. But you know, it's a nice try sometimes. Y'all don't get to know the results yet. Be in the next part. Wow, she actually did. And the cat is on our fridge. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this part here. You get to find the results if Kathrine is pregnant or not on the next episode. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next part. Bye!